Hello, hello. It is arm day. This one's a down and dirty with weights. I'm using 2 pound weights. I find those are perfect for the reps we do in Pilates. Option to go maybe a little bit more or a lot less and use nothing. Okay, so let's get it going. We're going to bring a dumbbell in both, one of each in your hands. Okay, feet are going to come together. So everything's connected here. Let's just start to ground down through the feet here. Okay. Shoulders are off the neck. We're going to open the toes out and then connect the heels together. So you've got a nice first position. Okay, little piece of pie down there. We're going to lift our weights out in front of us. Okay, palms facing each other, elbows in to our sides. Okay, we're going to start to bend through the knees as we open out with the bells and then back forward. Okay, so plie down, open the shoulder from the shoulder and down. Now, don't death grip through those dumbbells. Okay, keep your grip light on that. Make the shoulders do the work. Okay, so opening and closing, coming down, strengthening, lengthening the back of that leg for 3. And start to activate that breath. 2. Good. Last one, hold it down here. You're going to lengthen out to a nice wide V with those dumbbells and then stand up, elbows come in. Lengthen out and in. Make sure those feet are nice and wide, toes spread out on the mat here. Okay, so let's keep going here. Let's do 4. Okay, really reach those arms out there. 3 and in. Good. 2. Last one. Good. Bring it in. Okay, now we're going to do the same thing. We're just going to releve. So lifting the heels up, arms go out and down, heels connect. Lift up and down. Good. Reaching and bringing it in. Good. For 5, palms still facing in. 4 and 3. Nice and slow and controlled. 2. Good. Hold it out here. Okay. Stay lifted through those heels. Connect the heels. Open the palms up. Okay. You're going to plie down as you bring those elbows in, palms up, heels connected, lifted, and lengthen out. Okay. So in and out. Good. In and out. You've got 5 more of these. Reach it out for 3 and out. Good. 2 and out. Last one. Good. Hold this here. Let's do little bicep curls. Okay. Lengthen up through your back body. Keep squeezing the glutes and keep those heels lifted. Just holding for 4 and out. Good. 3. Breathe it out. 2. Last one. Good. And bring everything down. Nice job. Let's take a wide stance with the feet. Okay. And then open the toes out to the corner. This time, we're going to take the dumbbells out to your sides and a little bit forward of the shoulders. Lengthen up through your back body, and we're going to plie down, plie ballet arms forward, and open up. Okay, down and open. Reach, light grip on those bells. Good. For 5 and open. Good. 4. Feel those the back body kind of activate, right? Back in those shoulder blades. 3 and lift. 2. Good. Last one. Hold it down here. Okay. We're going to take 1 dumbbell up. Lift as you lift that same heel. Bring it down. Lift and down. Elbows stay nice and wide. Okay. Shoulders stay low off the neck. Good. Keep going. And down. Lift. Let's do 3 more sets. Up and down, inhaling and exhaling, finding your breath. Good. Keep going. Last set. Nice job. Good. Bring it here. Little pulses down. Just hold your ballet arms for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stand up, open your arms out to the sides. Good. We're going to rotate the palms up and then rotate them back. Up and back. Good. For 6. This might burn. 5. Good. And 4. Pull through your abs. 3 and 2. Last one. Hold the palms up. Okay, let's do a bicep curl in. Hold here. Bring the arms and elbows forward and open up. Okay, so you're rotating through that dumbbell to connect in front of you. Okay, as you're lengthening through those legs and through the abs. Good. For 3 and open. 2, last one, hold it here. Let's heel toe the feet back in underneath the hips. Keep your elbows nice and high. Little lift and lower. Little lift, lower. Light grip on the bells. Good. You've got 5 and down. 4, down. Good. 3, down and 2. Last one. Good. And bring it down. Good job. You can roll out those shoulders. We're going to drop one dumbbell or option to hold both in one hand, depending on how much weight you want. Okay. And we're just going to do a few triceps. So you're going to take a lunge out with one side. You're going to reach this arm down here. Okay. Palm facing in. You're just going to take it back here and lower. Okay. So reaching it, nice long arm. Okay. So you're accessing the back of that arm. Okay. And really control these. Don't just bring it down. Control the way up and control the way down. Abs are engaged. Good. For 5 and 4. Good. 3, breathing. Good. 2, last one. Of course, we're going to hold this one up, okay? And you're going to bend through the elbow, lengthen back. Bend, lengthen back. We've got 6 here. 6. Good. 5, nice long spine. 4. Good. 3, 2, last one. Hold it here and just pulse up. Good. We've got 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Again, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Lower that arm down. Good job. Let's take it on over to the other side, okay? Same thing here. So bend through the knee. Back leg is long. Let's place one hand on that thigh. The other arm is nice and long. Abs pulled in, nice long spine. You're just going to take that arm up, working from the shoulder area. Good. Lifting. Palm is facing in. So really do these with intention, okay? And you will get results. Good. Lifting. Good. 5 more. For 5 and 4 and 3. Okay, nice long spine, breathing. 2, abs are engaged. Good. Hold it up here. Let's bend at the elbow, lengthen out. Keep that elbow high, lengthen out. In and out. You've got 5 here. Reach. Good. 4, reach. 3, lengthen out. 2, and last one, hold it out here. Let's do 2 sets of 8 pulses. Up, 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 up. For 4, 3, 2, 1. Again, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good. Bring it down. Nice job. Okay, one more thing we're going to do. You can take both weights, okay? Hold them in both hands. We're going to bring it up and back behind our head. Okay, so I'll show you from the side. Feet are underneath the hips. Pull the abs in. Okay, elbows are close to your head. They stay close to your head. You're going to lift and lower. Very simple. Lift and lower. So soften your knees, pull your abs in, and just start to lengthen up and down. Do these with control. 6. Good. And 5. Really reach. Good. 4 and 3. You've got 2. We're going to do one more set here, okay? Really get deep in there. Let's go 8, and then we're done. So give it all you got. 7 and 6. Good. 5. Keep those elbows near your head. Okay, don't let them go out. Good. You've got 3 and 2. Last one. Good. And bring them down. That is my short little arm workout, guys. Excellent for just a quick pump, okay? Maybe you're wearing a tank top and you want to look good in that, or you just need a quick little arm workout. So I will see you next time. Have a great day.